Jesus said in John 10:10, "The thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I came that they may have life and have it abundantly." Jesus is the Good Shepherd, and He only wants what's best for you. The enemy's intention is to crush you, so you will lose hope and he can defeat you. But the enemy is a defeated foe. During the toughest times of your life, always remember that God is with you. He will fight for you and has a great future in store for you. Remember the Lord's promise in Jeremiah 29:11-13. "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart.